This literally has thousands of reviews on Lazada, Shopee, Gearbest, and Banggood. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about why this thing sells like hotcakes or pancakes. I don't know what's the difference. Hey guys, it's me Jaycee back with another video. Today we're gonna be talking about the Haylou GT1. The first reason why the Haylou GT1 sells like hotcakes or pancakes, depending on your, how about waffles, sells like waffles, it's because of the price. That's the main reason, the price. Sub $20 earphones easily go $15 on sale. You can't really argue with the features the Haylou GT1 offers. Now, what's in the box when you buy this? Very simple. First of all, you're gonna get yourself the Haylou GT1 inside and a charging cable. That's it. The one I got is black, but this thing also comes in white. On the top, you're gonna be seeing a screen printed Haylou, looks like screen printed, a Haylou logo on the top. On the back, you're gonna be seeing your micro USB as well as a mini button. Or no, that's not a button, that's actually a charging indicator. Sorry about that. Inside, you're gonna be seeing your two earbuds. It has label left and right. There are prongs inside as well that charges your earbuds. Build quality, well, this is a sub $20 earphone, but they did a good job with this one. Though they use a cheap plastic, it does have a very clean finish, and I think that's a plus. Also, I did not know, or I don't know, did I mention it also comes in white? Other than that, it has a very small case. You can put it on your side pocket, I don't know what that's called, or chest pocket, that's probably it, or your jeans, whatnot. It's very small. I like that it has a very small profile case. Sound quality, let's talk about the bass. It's not the greatest in the world, but it's there. It's decent and it's usable. The vocals are okay, the highs are very pronounced. That's to be expected with small drivers. Overall, I think it's really decent, especially just for watching videos and casually listening to music, especially on commutes. Talking about commute, it does have rubber ear tips that can help minimize noise around you. And why did I do that? I look like stewardess. Exits right there. Anyway, it have rubber ear tips that helps isolates the noise from around you. And when you're on your commutes, that's really helpful. Battery life is decent. I get up to 3 hours per charge on the earbuds, and I can charge them up to 3 times. I don't know, sometimes I only get 2.5 times, but that's a total of 9 hours of listening time. The battery life is not that good, but it's not that bad as well. It's just decent. Again, $20 earphones, you're getting what you paid for. One of the best things I like about this is the comfort. The earbuds are really small and really light. The only downside is you can't use this on workouts because this does not have any IP rating. So if you're going running or it's raining, I highly recommend you put this back in your bag and just run in the rain just like everyone else. But yeah, last but not the least, control switch. This thing packs a ton of. I was not really expecting any controls on the Haylou GT1 just because when you first look at this, see, it's charging right now, white LED. But when you first look at this, it's just a piece of plastic, round plastic. It does not look like it has any buttons. That's what I expected. But yeah, they managed to put buttons in there and it has very decent controls, unlike others out there, especially for this price. You can go ahead and skip tracks, go to the previous tracks, answer calls, summon your assistant. No, not that assistant. Summon the assistant and answer phone calls. That's really a feature pack, especially for the price. That is also why I recommend this more than the Redmi AirDots, which is $15. You're getting much better controls compared to that one. So what are the downsides? Well, yeah, like I said earlier, this does not have any IP rating. Also, the mic, for some reason, sounds muddy on my unit. I don't know if it's just me, but the sound on my voice sounds muddy according to the other side. That's why I didn't even bother recording it. What else? Maybe the battery life, but that's really up to you. If you really want more battery life, they have a version, the GT1 Pro. It has a bigger battery life, so you can go check that out as well. I'm gonna review that on the future. But yeah, this thing actually has a lot of features for the price. $20 earphones. So if you're interested in the Haylou GT1, I'm gonna be leaving links down below for you to purchase this one. Really depends where you live, but I'm gonna be leaving different links down below. So if you like this video, go ahead and click like. If you dislike this video, click the dislike button twice. Go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment down below. And this is my first video for 2020. Go ahead and share this with your friends. See you on the next one.